This is back on our knife. Gonna try to fit this thick 3-inch core because this isn't sufficient. Thanks to this guy.
We out here. I'm a little pumped up for after work.
Yeah. So we're trying to do that. This is gonna be gone because obviously I have the highest point here. It's 1.5 inches thicker almost. It's taller and it's wider, so hopefully it works. Hopefully it fits with the fan.
It's gonna fit.
It's gonna fit. We'll see if the fan fits afterwards.
It'll fit. It'll fit.
But also, I'm gonna do the Rad Industries lower neck to bring the hose like under the alternator. Took the thermostat out, and absolutely blown out.
Bunk.
So that's garbage. And we're gonna order a better one. All right.
It's much different to hold a camera this small.
It's nice because like it's not like I can do much.
Oh no, but vlogging with this is pretty dope. Like actually holding this.
It's a lot easier
Oh yeah.
than like trying to hold the big camera and have all that stuff where. And it shoots good quality.
I mean, you're shooting at 5K. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Oh, that technique.
I think there's no offense, I'm just gonna pay you to come out with me. Like having those outside shots makes such a difference.
Oh yeah.
And there's no one like to do that for me.
Hey, like I said, as long as it's a job, then my wife can't really fight me about it.
Yeah, until she's like, "Where's this money from this job?"
The money's coming. I'm just spending it. Why do you think my Snap-on bill's so big? No, I'm down. You know that. I thought that was cool as shit. All right, it still fits. I'm happy. Oh.
We got them in. Little rubber mounts. Both sides. Doesn't really move. enough clearance for a fan. I'm just gonna make these, pull these out. Then just waiting for my lower neck. Alright. Well, we got the new radiator in, the fan mounted. We may even have a little more room than before. It's thick. This is mounted back up. Get to get the red damping for the lower neck. And the car now took an extra gallon and a half of water than before. And so far at idle, it's idling about 10 degrees colder in Celsius. It's about 81, 82, and then when I rev it, it drops down to 80. Well, it's time to go do some donuts and see that. See if it runs better when it's on big load. Alright, just took it for a ride. It runs 10 degrees colder Celsius, so that's pretty significant on the street. It's still getting a little warm on the doing donuts. Let's insert that clip right here. And so far, happy with it. We'll see how it does at an actual skip head or a track and stuff like that when we're doing laps. See if it was able to cool down, but so far, the thick radiator, maybe a fan shroud would help to even make it better, but right now, between the thermostat and the radiator, so far so good. I guess it's time to go test at the track, so that'll be in the next video.
I got the recipe, never gonna let any op get the best of me. Thought it was distance, but haters is next to me. Talk to the spirit, you know I've been heavenly. Company definitely show your trajectory. This ain't a diss cause I say it respectfully. It's time to eat her, red like a speeder. Taking it deeper and that's how it better be. I never let the comparison get to me. I just remember the promises meant for me. I know the enemy and that he's sent for me. I keep the blood of the lamb as my centerpiece.